Hey everyone, thanks for coming and watching this video. So today we're going to learn about the MakeCode Arcade programming environment. And so you might have used MakeCode before if you've ever programmed the microbit or done some Minecraft programming or even the Playground Express from Adafruit. Lots of different things you can program with MakeCode. And so MakeCode, you can get there. This is what the website looks like, but I just typed in makecode.com. And when you get there, you'll see that there's lots of options to choose from, but particularly in this series of videos, we're going to be looking at MakeCode Arcade. And what MakeCode Arcade allows you to do is make retro 8-bit video games that you can play right in your web browser. You don't need to download any special software. You can do it right in your web browser using JavaScript or block-based programming. And so in this series of videos, we're going to primarily be using blocks. So if you've ever used Scratch before, you might have done some block-based programming. But MakeCode is great because you can program it right in your web browser. You don't have to download anything special, and then you can play the game right on your screen. However, there are pieces of hardware you can buy that you can download your game to and then play on actual hardware as well. And I'll have a video in this playlist or in this area where you found this video that'll show you how to do that as well. But we're going to walk through step by step some beginner tutorials, and then we'll go to some intermediate games, and then we'll try to make a few more advanced ones as well. So if you've ever wanted to make video games, I know lots of people want to jump in and make, they want to make, we're in June 2020 here, so what's the hottest game? The Last of Us 2 literally just came out yesterday. Everybody wants to make that, or Fortnite, or you want to make the next, whatever game, Spider-Man for PS4, those types of things. And that's great, and it's great to aspire to that, but everybody has to start somewhere. Just like when you first learn to ride a bike, or you first learn to speak, or you first learn to write, you always start simple, and then you build your skill set up. In retro video games, when we say retro, for you younger folks out there, retro tends to be like in the games that were in the 70s or 80s or even really in the 90s now. So it's kind of got that 8-bit aesthetic. And that's the era I grew up in, and so I still love those games. I like newer games as well. But I like those 8-bit games because they kind of remind me of my childhood. But honestly, a lot of them had really good gameplay as well. And that's the thing. It doesn't always matter what the graphics look like or the sound, what it sounds like. If there's good gameplay, it's fun to play. And so some of those games had great gameplay. But this program, MakeCode Arcade, will allow you to do your graphics and your programming and your sound right inside of the game, right inside of the program editor. So we're going to start with some projects. We're going to go through some of these tutorials here. These are self-paced, so you can do them on your own. But if you want to kind of have somebody walk you through them, this series of videos will be great for that. And so we're going to start with Chase the Pizza, make a very simple Chase the Pizza game, and then we'll go on to some other games, working our way up to a space shooter. So some old school space shooting games, and there are lots and lots of different games that you can program on here. Lots of great tutorials. So you can certainly explore on your own, but if you kind of want somebody to walk you through step by step, that's what we're going to do in this series of videos. So again, my name is Mike. Thanks for coming, and I look forward to working on some retro video games with you. All right, let's get started.